We are going to make pizza night at home. We're going to make a cast iron skillet pan pizza. You start with a well-seasoned or well-oiled cast iron skillet, and you preheat it. Store-bought or homemade pizza dough. I keep some in my freezer. Literally pick it up from your favorite pizza parlor, or of course, right in the regular grocery store. Tons of different brands of pizza dough. For the filling for the pizza, I have about a cup to a cup and a half. Depends on how cheesy you want it and how deep you want to take the deep dish pizza. I've got some fresh ricotta that I seasoned with freshly grated nutmeg, about 1/8 of a teaspoon, and a couple of fat cloves of garlic that I grated right into the bowl. Now we're going to add a little chopped flat leaf parsley and some grated cheese. We're going to add 1 egg and our Parmigiano cheese and mix this all together. On top of this, we're going to add a combination of provolone and mozzarella cheese. Okay, so for the dough, take the chill off, throw it on the kitchen counter for a few minutes, and then to start working it, I sprinkle the counter, or your biggest work surface, with a little bit of flour, olive oil, little non-aerosol spray, throw this guy down in here, and let the dough kind of come up the sides of the pan a bit. Oh, I forgot the sprinkle. You guys, why didn't you tell me? You're sitting right there, you didn't tell me. No big deal, right back in the pan. So now we get him settled. Then you have to season the dough itself. So spray the dough down, a little salt, a little pepper, and a little red pepper flake, because it is a hot blonde. Okay, now we're going to throw in our cheese. Kind of dollop it around, and then we'll top it with the double cheeses in this sack of cheese, the provolone and the mozzarella. When we come back, we'll do broccoli rabe and the hot honey that goes on the hot blonde pizza right after this. Okay, instead of a green salad to serve up with our hot blonde, which is a deep dish skillet white pan pizza, we're going to make some spicy broccoli rabe. So we start with blanching the broccoli rabe. It is very bitter, though. It's delicious, and it has great nutrient value, but you have to parboil it in salted water for a couple minutes. Cook it for about 3 minutes, drain it, cold shock it, and drain it. So put it in ice water, then drain it. Then I leave it on a kitchen towel, so it's bone dry when it goes into the skillet, because we're going to add it to oil, olive oil in this case, and water and fat do not mix. It'll splatter all over you, and it could hurt you. So I got the oil hot over medium heat, not high, and I added some anchovy. So then we add our dark greens to the anchovy oil. Now we're going to heat the rabes through. We're going to add in our garlic once we've got everybody into the hot tub so they can all get along. Then we're going to throw in a little crushed red pepper flake to follow our spicy theme and give this a turn. We're going to add a little chicken stock or vegetable stock in a box, even water, just a little juice so it just hangs out and doesn't scorch. Over here in a separate skillet, the big ta-da for the hot blonde is hot honey. So a fat amount of honey, this is called acacia honey. You can get it in the regular grocery store. Then we're going to add some chili paste. This is Calabrian chili paste on the Italian food aisle. Any hot sauce or chili paste you have in the fridge will do. A couple of spoonfuls of that. Let it melt together. We got the pizza working. We're going to finish the broccoli rabe with a little lemon when we come back, and we'll serve it up right after this. So when your honey bubbles around the edges, your hot honey is done. See, it becomes nice and loose and delicious. Hot and sweet, one-stop shopping. To our broccoli rabe with the melted anchovy, the garlic, the chili paste, we're going to add the brightness of a little bit of lemon juice to finish this. And this is our greens to go along with our hot blonde. Don't waste any of that good garlic oil stock. Oh my God, that's good. You can have a hot blonde, male or female, so how cute is he or she? Here comes the fun part. The drizzle of the hot honey all over the top of that mess. Woo-hoo-hoo!